All right, here we go. Question number 13 from our 13-16 homework number 6 in MyLab Math. And we have a word problem. An aircraft at Z is spotted by two observers, X and Y, who are L distance apart. And so that is the first piece of information given. I'm going to label that. So the length of L is 1,000 feet. So that is the distance from X to Y. That is the distance across there. And then I keep reading, blah, blah, blah. If A is 25, so where A is, I'm going to put 25 degrees. And where B is, I'm going to put 35 degrees. It says, how high is the airplane? We're looking for H. And so the very first thing that I realized that I'm going to be able to find is angle Z, because I know two angles inside of the blue triangle. Therefore, angle Z is going to be whatever it takes to make 180. So pulling up my handy dandy calculator, 180 minus 25 minus 35 means that angle Z is obtuse. It's 120. Now, what I want you to notice next is that angle Z, is across from side L. And since I know an angle and the side across from it, I can use law of sines. And we're using the blue triangle right now, the big blue triangle. Angle Z is 120. Across from that is 1,000. And then I'm going to have to find either little x or little y, because I'm having to find pieces in the blue triangle. I can't go straight for the height of the plane. I'm going to have to do it in steps. So it doesn't matter which one you pick. I'm going to work with angle A. So we would say sine 25 over x, because those are across from each other. And then I can cross multiply and divide, and I can find the length of side x. So doing the cross multiply gets me here. I'm looking for side x, so I need to divide by sine 120. And with a little button pushing, I'm going to have my side x. 1,000 sine 25. Please make sure you're in the right mode. And since this is an intermediate step, let's take that to, let's say, 4 places. Just to be accurate, 487.9975. Again, we can round that as far as we want. The farther you take it, the more accurate your final answer is going to be. And I'm going to label that in my picture, 487.9975. Now then, let's get rid of this. And what I want to do here, if I can, is I'm going to zoom in. There we go. And let me draw your attention to this green triangle right here. Do you see the green triangle that I'm outlining here? Do you see that is a right triangle? So in that triangle, I know that this angle is 90. That is across from the side I just found. And angle B, which is 35, is across from the height that I'm looking for. So now I'm going to be able to use that green triangle, the right triangle, and find the height. Okay, I'm a little, just so close. Let's set up the law of sines again. So sine 90, the 90 degrees is across from the side 487.9975. Angle B, which is 35, is across from little h, which is what I'm looking for. And then I'm just going to cross multiply and divide, and I'm going to be done. H sine of 90 equals, and I'm going to need to scoot over a little bit, 487.9975 sine of 35. Now, nice. What I'm about to tell you is nice. Sine of 90 is 1. And 1 times h is h. So really all I need to do to calculate this answer, I don't even need to do a fraction. I just need to do 487.9975 sine of 35, and I'm done. Now we need to approximate that to how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. 279.90. And the units are feet. That should be the height of the plane. Let's see how we did. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.